Hi guys, this is Divisha Agrawal. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a thing that I did, and I'm sure you have read the title already, that I left my 9 to 5 job to pursue content creation and my dreams full time. Now, this video was long due because my job was a major portion of my life and I never really talked about it here on social media because I thought काफी irrelevant topic hai. I should just stick to my beauty, fashion and travel videos. So let's give you a little backstory. For those of you who don't know, I'm a software engineer by profession and I got placed from my college itself when I graduated back in 2020. Yes, I'm a 2020 pass out and I never really mentioned my company name on social media because of various reasons, and one of them was security reasons, and I just felt like it's very irrelevant. But now I can finally reveal the name because अब मैं उस कंपनी का पार्ट नहीं हूँ एंड आई वॉज वर्किंग इन LTI Mindtree from last 3.5 years. Yes, that long. To be honest, even I can't believe it that it's been that long because I started working around November 2020. So I started creating content back in 2020 when it was very new for me, for my parents and even for the world. Like nobody knew that this could be a real thing and real business. And like everyone else's parents, even my parents were fixated on that 9 to 5 job because obviously, I mean, it's a safety net and plus I had my set of responsibilities. So I kind of chose to kind of manage both at the same time because now content creation भी मेरे लिए बहुत नया था and I did not know whether I fully enjoy it or it's just a phase or do I want to make a career out of it. It was very like uncertain, so I had to have something to fall back on, and that's when I decided कि चलो यार ठीक है temporarily job ले लेते हैं and देखते हैं where it goes. Like both things simultaneously. हो सकता है मुझे job में interest आने लगे, हो सकता है मुझे content creation में interest आने लगे. Like I was exploring, but even after all this I had this little thought in my mind, like back of my mind, that I do want to get out of this loop and I don't want to work for someone. And no offense, there's nothing wrong in working for someone, but it was just not my calling. I always thought of myself as a person who has something of her own. Even if it's small, even if it's big, it's her own thing and I just wanted to work on my terms. So I was sure कि मुझे job के loop से बाहर तो निकलना है, but this is not the right time. And then I started working for this company and I started pursuing content creation on the side, and you have seen my journey from the last 3-4 years because well, my life is public. To be honest, I had my share of good days and bad days because obviously it's not easy to juggle between two full-time jobs. It's difficult, it gets tough sometimes, but I was lucky that my job was work from home. After COVID it never kind of resumed, so I had this privilege that I could work from home and just squeeze in some time for my shoots, my edits and my other admin work. And seriously, hats off to those who are actually juggling between going to the office regularly, coming back and focusing on some side hustle or even taking care of home. It's just so difficult, I can't even think about it how difficult it must be for them. मैं lucky थी, मेरे लिए work from home worked really well. Now coming back to a frequently asked question to me, how do you manage your time? To be very honest, I had major time management issues because content creation is a full-time job. Like you have so much work in the back end, in the front end, you have to do it all by yourself because तुम तुम्हारे डायरेक्टर खुद हो, एक्टर खुद हो, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर खुद हो, स्टाइलिस्ट खुद हो, everything. There's so much. You're your own manager, you're dealing with brands, you're attending events, you just have to be everywhere. So it's definitely not easy, but it's not that difficult once you get the hang of it. Plus you need to understand थोड़ा सा time management वाला scene कि कब किस चीज़ को priority देनी है. That really helped me a lot throughout. But एक बार वो salary के cycle में फंस गए तो it's impossible to get out because to be honest, it's comforting, it's liberating, and you feel so independent with your own money. You can spend your own money, invest your own money in whatever that you feel like doing. So it's a different kind of freedom and power that comes with that fixed salary amount, and it's it's bad, I would say, because even I was stuck in that loop for the longest time and I was not able to get out of it, because किसको नहीं अच्छा लगता है यार, comfort, freedom, independence, it's what we have worked for all these years, and उसको छोड़ के एक uncomfortable situation में जाना, it's not easy. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है that I'm not grateful for my 9 to 5, because it really helped me to improve my content game, because job के वजह से मेरे पास salary है, and salary की वजह से I could upgrade all my gear and spend on clothes and beauty products and just on everything that is required for creating good quality content. And yeah, I'm ever so grateful for that. But I was contemplating to quit my job from the longest time, because obviously it was getting tougher and I just wanted to give content creation and other things that I have in mind a full-blown chance, because it's now or never. As far as I can remember, मैं पिछले एक साल से सोच रही हूँ and discussing with my friends and family that मुझे job quit करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, pros and cons and future consequences, all that, because of course it's a big decision and it's very difficult to say no to a fixed amount coming to your bank account every single month. Last month I did not receive my salary and I was like, okay, this is a strange feeling. You know, it's very uncertain and you don't know where your next paycheck is coming from. It's a very you feel anxious in a way. I felt the same way, but then I thought कि नहीं यार, bigger picture सोचते हैं. Just think about the future. Just think about the hard work that you have to put in to make your dreams, like to fulfill your dreams basically. The fact is, content creation or anything in the entertainment industry is very uncertain and unstable, because some months are really good, but some months you don't make anything at all, and it's just so difficult to kind of work with money when you have such a equation going on, and that is unsettling, that is not comfortable, that is way out of my comfort zone. It is a big risk, but I could take this decision because I have such supporting friends and family, and I'm so grateful for them that, you know, I can't describe in words, because they were there throughout, steady as a rock, throughout the decision making process, that tu tension mat le, if you want to give it like a full blown shot, we are there for you, rock solid. Tujhe kuch bhi lagega to humko bata, just, you know, communicate and ask for help whenever you need, because I think they somewhere believe in my dreams and my vision, and I really want to make it work. That belief in me is something that I'm never going to take for granted, and I just feel so grateful when I think about it. Let's cut to the chase. In April, I decided to finally put my papers down. I resigned, and it was nerve-wracking, but it was liberating at the same time, because I felt so good after doing it, because I could, you know, mentally I got so free to focus all my time, energy and efforts into one thing, which is content creation. And I could see कि मेरे content में भी थोड़ा change आने लगा after that. Like, I had that confidence in me, which I really loved. Yesterday I finally went to the office to kind of submit my laptop, my ID card, and do this full and final settlement, which was a very different feeling. I kind of vlogged it. My last day is officially done. I'm no longer an employee. It feels honestly very strange. मेरा ID card, मेरा laptop सब चला गया है, and it just, I don't know, I felt like documenting this moment, because it feels like end of an era. Clearly it was a strange feeling, but I'm so glad that I took this step for myself, and yeah, I'm just going to give myself a year of just, you know, pure dedication, hard work, focus and determination towards my work, my goals and my dreams. And I'm just going to need your support in this journey, because I really want to make it work, because my dreams are big and I just want to achieve them. I can't wait to start this new journey. Yeah, thank you for sticking by, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video and if you are looking forward to my journey ahead, then do like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you are dealing with something similar that I have shared in the video. I would love to know your stories too. Please feel free, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.